Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am super excited to be participating today in the Fall Wreath Challenge hosted by the lovely, sweet, and talented ladies over at Deco and My Happy Home. Two of my daughters participated in the challenge as well, so they gathered all of their fall florals and wreaths and pumpkins and came to my house, and we just had a really nice time putting our wreaths together, and we just got to spend quality time together while having a big old time together. We just had so much fun. This was really a great challenge, and I want to once again thank the lovely, sweet, and talented ladies over at Deco and My Happy Home for the open invitation.